Hi, so my name is Nathan Doolittle. This is for Geology Week 11. This week we had to do a map of what the Earth looks like underneath, like so the part that we may not be able to see, or parts like in mountains that have erosion that look just kind of different. Um, this is my map that I did. I have 15 different letters on there that could possibly be written out. I'll give you guys this opportunity now to go ahead and pause the video if you'd like and attempt at solving for my map. Here's my answer key for what I came up with. So there's 15 different ones. I kind of added in a few extra, I guess. Um, but yeah, it was honestly kind of fun learning about this. I truthfully I took geology in high school and never really understood this part, so it was definitely more. It was better for me because I actually got a grasp on it. So with my map, I said I'll go from youngest to oldest. A is the youngest, so A is at the top, and then there's some erosion under that, and then you got T or J. J is after that. J is the next one, that blue section. Then you got F, which is just obvious because it's straight. And then H would be the last of the flat sections at the top. And then you got some angular unconformity, which came with erosion as well. So then that next one that starts the tilting would be O, and then N, I, L, B, E, M, G. So basically it goes right to left from the one that would be on top first. And then after it'd be EM, which would finish out the tilting. And then actually before all those tilting, we have D, the little cross section in there. It makes it came through all of them. So like the blue or this blue one right here that goes up, that one would be before D, or it is D, it would be before O. And then we have K down here, which is old or younger than C. So that's a cross-cutting section. So that one would be older because it came through C and then placed up there. So if you were to go further down, it would probably be bigger. But for my map, I just did it really small, just because I didn't want to. I just kind of want to make it a little more complicated, I guess. And then after K, it would be C, being the youngest. Um, in all honesty, I like this activity. I thought it was really cool. Obviously, my drawing skills are not the best, but this is an art class, so I think it's all right. I think a lot of this was still confusing in a sense. I watched multiple of the videos a lot of the time.
The next